Hey guys, back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you my one of my project which I've made on the Visual Studio using the forms and C# language in the backend. So this is the front end on it, and to enter it, this is our dashboard, the login page. So to be in there, what you have to do is just write the password, the username and the password like this, and then just click on log. Now you can access all these options. So first of all, we have the admission, and in admission we have two more, in our menu we have two more forms which are admission form, and the next one is the search. From here you will enter the data of the student who wants to get the admission in your college, and you can also reset it and submit it from here. And after that we have another option that is a grade semester, so you can just select the semesters from here, and just the student have changed to which semester, then just select that semester and just click on the upgrade. So that's how it works. And then we have the search student. You can search the individual student. For example, I want to select the ID number 4, and just I will write the registration ID and then search it, and can you see that the fourth one will be shown here. And after that we have individual details. Like for example, I want to get all the details, so it will show the details like this of all the individual details of the student, and we can reset it and search another one. Like for example, I want to search for the 5 one, and now it's showing the ID number 5. Now for example, you want to add the teacher's information. You just have to that this teacher have recently joined the college, and you want to add her information. So this form will be helpful. You're gonna write that which semester she's gonna be teaching and which program she's gonna teach, and the duration of her phone number, email ID, her address, and each and everything. You can just select it from here, her gender like this, and just submit her details. And after that we have the search system of teachers as well. For example, take teacher number, like for example 2, and then just search it, and then just the individual detail of that teacher will be shown to you like this. Okay, if for example she's teaching the program C++, and her duration period is from 2020 to 2024, and she lives in Rawalpindi and whatever. So that's how you can search it as well. And this will be the about us, about where that specific person studies, or no, where your college is and what's your college is about. Like you can add the about section about your college, each and every detail, and this is the exact system, and then just exit it. System is gonna work. So for if you want to learn this project, do tell me in the comment section whether you want to get the source code of this project, or you want to learn like how to make this project. Do tell me in the comment section, and keep watching for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.